Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about the conditional statement. So the conditional statement is a subcategory of control flow. In control flow we have two categories. One is for conditional statement, another is loop. Okay, so today's class we're going to see about the conditional statement. In conditional statement we're going to see about if, elif and else. Okay, the outline of this video, we're going to give the introduction of the conditional statement. Okay, and we're going to give about the if statement, and we're going to see detail about else statement and elif statement, and also we're seeing about the nested conditional statement and some practical examples and common errors, right? And we're going to see the common errors and some best practices. So let's go into the video. Okay, so now if you come, let me clear my all output. Okay, so if you come for if statement, okay, so if statement, for example, I am just giving a age as a variable and assigning 20, okay, as a value. So I'm just checking here, if my age is greater than or equal to 18, okay, print you are allowed to vote in the election. Okay, you understood, right? So the thing is, I'm just assigning one variable which is equal to 20. My variable name is age, and I'm preparing one condition. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, print you allowed to vote the elections. Okay, so how it will work? Any idea, guys? So if I run or if I execute this cell, right, it will give you are allowed to vote in the election. Correct, because my age, whatever input I have given, is greater than 18, right? So previous class we have seen greater than or equal to operators, right? So greater than or equal to operators, what it happens? It will work either greater than or it will work for equal. Either any one condition is get satisfied, it will give you the true output. Okay, you got it, right? So now I have assigned age is equal to 20, right? So let's see whether my age is equal to 20 is greater than or equal to 18 or not. If it is satisfied either greater than or equal to, you will get the output of true. Right? Right, guys? Okay. So now you have an idea about if statement, right? What if is doing. So it's just kind of you are doing a if my age is greater than or equal to 18, give me print you are allowed to vote for the election. Okay, and also you see here what we have done here, right? This space we have used here after if statement we have given the space because this block after if statement block, the print is coming inside the if statement, so it will work, the print will work for the if statement of age. You got it, right? So we have seen in our previous classes indentation, right? Okay, so we go for else. Okay, so let's see for what is else. Else statement execute a block of code if the condition in the if statement is false. Okay, so why this else statement is coming here? First of all, you need to understand, guys. So the thing is, the else is coming here if the first condition of if whatever I'm applying condition here, which is not satisfied with the condition, it will go for else statement. Okay, for example, I have assigned age is equal to 16. Okay, now I have given if age greater than or equal to 18, print you are eligible for voting, right? Print you are eligible for voting. But if you see here, my age, whatever the input I have I get, right, it is 16. It is, yes, it is not, it is lesser than or equal to 18, right? It is lesser than or equal to 18, but the condition is the age need to greater than or equal to 18. So whatever I'm applying the condition, it is not applicable here, right? It is not applicable for this statement if and age, right? So due to this statement is false right now, it will not printing this you are not eligible for voting. It will take you to the second block for else. Okay, so now you will get the print you are minor because my age is 16. Right? Understood, guys? So now you have an understand of if statement and else statement, right? Okay. So let's see what elif. So elif statement allow you to check multiple condition. It stand for else if. Okay. Elif is nothing but it stand for else if. Okay. Okay. So if you have the multiple condition, you get this else if. Okay. Now we using the same example for all the queries, right? So get the better understanding. Now I'm doing my age is equal to 17. Okay, I'm just preparing if age less than 13, print your child. Okay, if age less than 18, print you are teenager, right? Else print you are adult. See, the thing is, this whatever input I have given here, it need to satisfy this first condition, right? Age is less than 13, or if my age is less than 18, or print you are adult. Okay, so now what you will get the output? What you will get the output here? Here is 17, my input is 17. Check here, if 17 is less than 13, no, it will skip this first block. Okay, it will go for next block. 17 is less than 18, yes, 17 is less than 18, so you are teenager. So this print will work now. Okay, you got it right? Understood, guys? Okay, so let's see for the nested condition statement. What is nested condition statement? Nested condition statement, you can place one or more if else or else statement inside another if else or else statement to create a nested condition, right? The thing is, you have created if, elif and else, and also you are inside the same statement. If you are using if, elif and else, this is called as a nested. Okay, nested condition statement. For that we go for one example, the number even, odd and negative. Okay, now I'm just getting an input. Okay, I'm assigning a variable is num, which is equal to, I'm getting the input as an integer. Okay, now I'm defining my condition. If num is greater than 0, print the number is positive. Okay, print number is positive. If num, and inside this num, and I'm creating one more if, right? This is nested. If num modulus of 2 is equal to 0, print number is even, else print number is odd. Okay, if whatever number I'm giving is negative or 0, print number is 0 or negative. Right, guys? So now inside if, okay, inside if statement I have come up with another one if statement, right? This is called nested if. Okay, nested conditional statement. So let's see what happened if I'm giving 6. I'm doing the enter. Okay, so now the number is positive and the number is even. Got it? So the number which is greater than 0, okay, the number is greater than 0, so it printing the number is positive, and the number is divisible by 2 is equal to 0. Yes, modulus of it is the remainder is 0, so the number is even. Right? And also I'm giving 3. Okay, so if you see here, the number is positive. Okay, because it's greater than 0, and it is not divisible by 2 because so it is a whole number. Okay, got it? So now I am running for -2. Right? So the number, whatever the num I have given assigned is negative value. So it not going for this conditions at all. It directly taking the number is 0. The number is 0 or negative. Okay, that's it. You understood, guys? I'm giving 5 now. I'm entering. So the number is positive, yes, and the number is odd. Okay, I think now you have a good understanding of if, else, elif, and nested statement, right? So let's have some practical examples how this if statement, the conditional statement is using in real time world, right? So let's go for the practical example. So for example, I'm just determining if the year is leap year using nested condition statement. Okay. So for that, I'm just taking a year, okay, as a variable, and I'm giving a int. Okay, I'm getting the just kind of I'm getting the input from the user. Okay, the input should be in the form or in the data type of integer, and I'm applying some condition here. If my year is modulus of 4, okay, is equal to 0, and inside that if my year modulus of 100 is equal to 0, if my year modulus of 400 is equal to 0, print year is leap year. Okay, else print year is not leap year, else print year is leap year. So if you see here, I have applied one if condition here and another one if condition here and three if condition here, right? So for first if condition, right, my else is here. I have given my else condition here. For the second if condition, my else is down. Okay, my third if condition, if you see the else is here, right? You understand, guys? The thing is, I'm just applying three conditions, okay, for finding the leap year. If whatever the year I'm giving is an input, if it is a leap, it will do the modulation of or modulation of all these years, okay, all these years divisible by 4 or divisible 5 by 100 or modulus of 400, which is equal to 0, then you need to print leap year. The thing is, I'm applying a three conditions. The thing, okay, for example, I'm taking as a just 1 year. Okay, let me explain you clearly, guys. I'm taking this as an year as an input. Okay, now if my year modulus of 4 is equal to 0, print year is not leap year. Okay, if my year modulus of 100 is equal to 0, year is leap year. And if my year modulus of 400 is equal to 0, yeah, print is leap year. You got it, guys? So I'm just running this 2024. 2024 is leap year. Okay, I'm clicking and running 2019. Okay, is not a leap year, right, guys? It's just a condition which you are applying in the if statement, guys. That's it. Okay, so let's go for next example, a simple calculator program, right? So the simple calculator program, I think we have seen this calculation initially previously, but we have not we have used the same if operation, right? So the thing is, uh, I'm just assigning num equal to float. Okay, I'm giving a two input, okay, num1 and num2, and my operation is equal to, okay, what I need to do, whether plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, this is my condition I am applying here. Okay, the thing is, you need to enter two float numbers and you need to give your symbols which need to get applicable. Okay, I'm writing the performance request operation. Okay, if operation is equal to plus, okay, result num1 plus num2. Else if the operation is equal to minus, it need to get subtraction. Else if it is a into, you need to do the multiplication. Else if the operation is a modulus, you need to do modulus of between two numbers. Okay, okay, and result division of 0. Okay, the thing is just a simple calculator formula, guys. So now I'm entering 3.4. okay, 4.6. okay, and I'm doing into. What is my answer? You got the answer, right? It's just simple, guys. The kind of like we are doing some else and else if and if statement and nested if statement. Using these conditions, we are doing this kind of calculation. And also, guys, I will attach um, all these files into the description. Okay, so you can take it for your verification and you can learn through that file, right? Okay. And also we're going to see one more examples, right? The ticket pricing. So in the ticket pricing based on age and student status. So the thing is, you are taking a two input, one is age and another is a student. Okay, the thing is you need to enter whether the age of the age, and also you need to enter like if you are a student or not. Okay, the thing is if age is greater than 5, okay, the thing is if age is greater than 5, price is free. Else if age is greater than or equal to 12, price is $10. Else if is age greater than or equal to 17, and you need to check if it is a student is equal to yes, price is 12. Okay, else price is 15. If he is not a student, it is a 15. Okay, so this kind of a simple conditions I have applied here, guys, right? Simple condition I have applied here. If you run this, my age is 5, okay, and I'm entering no. Okay, what I will get the answer? The ticket price is $10. Yeah, so that's it, guys, for today's class. Thank you.